You understand what you're doing here. The only reason 5 options. Toothpaste, carries run.
It's not too late to leave.
I'll give you a 5-second countdown.
Mitch, your drink's on the hood.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Let's go, man. You got this. Nice. All right, keep it up. You got it. It's all arms. Hook and elbow. Hook and elbow. Yes.
Yeah.
Exactly. Hook a knee. Hook a knee. Get it up there.
That's it.
Yep, that is it. You're up and over.
Killer.
You're done.
Leg privilege.
Yep.
Obstacle 1 out of the way. Nicely done.
Starting to think I might want to run.
If you're wearing that shirt, you better get a clean run.
All right.
Well, he's got to piss clean at the end for that.
Do it on the thighs, pop it up, or lift it up and over.
Pop it up.
It's easier to...
Other way. There you go. That'll do it.
So you're tall enough. Follow the time.
Tall privilege. Yeah, exactly. There's a lot of tall privilege.
Freedom.
My T-Rex arms, like I said before, are not going to do well on the rings. Good job. Nicely done.
You can't have all 3 of those features.
That's it. Nice. Good job. You're making this look easy, man. Nice and smooth. Slow and smooth, smooth and fast, fast and fast. Good job.
That makes the power like 10 times.
Good job. Nicely done.
Have you not run yet?
Last one.
Suck it up, breathe deep, pop it up and over. Nicely done. All right, run around. Rings. Run around.
All you have to do is get a ring to hang on that last post. However you do it. You can't touch the ground, can't touch anything else except the rings.
Just goes to show you how bad these penalties are.
Breathe deep. Breathe deep. Get a lot of oxygen.
It's so far out of my
Right?
league.
You're going to need it for your arms. You're lifting on your arms.
Ricky just asked me.
You got to get a very nice, easy rhythm going. Don't let go for anything.
Cannot touch the ground.
Christ, he's already touching the ground.
You can kick
There
off
you
the pole
go.
behind you.
Perfect.
I'm not even going to be able to reach the rings.
Yes, you got it.
Go for the next one. You're long enough. Go for it. Get it up there.
Hook it right now. Get it.
got it.
Hook it, you hooker. Hold on and hook right now. All right, take a rest.
Take it easy.
Keep your arm on the side.
Don't rest.
And now.
He's way too early.
Do it again. Get back on it. You can get
You
this.
had the rhythm. If you'd been able to get it, that.
Feel the rhythm. Feel the rhyme. Hang on tight.
It's bobsled time.
Is that the Jamaican chant?
Yes.
That's not gonna work.
Kiss my Eggman.
There you go. Put your arm around the other stick.
Me?
You got it. Once you get that swing going, you'll be fine.
Well,
that's why y'all kind of showed up.
There you go. Yeah. Get it. Get it.
Nah, he went on like a half beat right there.
Yeah. Why should we shut up? We've got 24-hour gambling, drinking, and prostitution. Exactly.
We'll make our own state with blackjack and wait. We already have that state.
And a drink in your hand after like. Hey,
I promise you can get it.
Do what?
I promise you you can get it.
Underneath your steak.
They're idiots.
your optimism.
What's that?
They're idiots.
Did you see it? No, it's,
No.
it's true.
Yeah, you're right.
It's true.
It's the space subs,
Yeah,
though.
we didn't want to tell you about it. All right?
It's the space subs.
You almost had it the first time.
They launch vertical,
Ring the first time. You would've
go right into space.
It's where we train NASA door gunners.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Don't go to half beat. Just go.
Open the door. What about the vacuum of space? You don't need to worry about that guy.
Exactly. Yeah. You hold your breath and you just space.
You're flailing your legs.
You sound fat.
Why are you criticizing? Come on, be positive.
All right. Yeah, you're good.
You're looking good.
I'm not even sure. This guy's chugging.
No.
This guy's chugging. He chugs a liter and then he puts in dip. And he just.
You dead hang the arms. It's all grip. And you get it
And wait, he brought non-standard sizes, but he crushed it anyway. So it's fine.
Yeah, it's harder than it looks, isn't it?
I cleared it all. My only penalty was on a Diet Coke.
2 minutes of just basic stuff. I don't know if I can get it down. Why don't you move the copper tubing for me? You have 2 minutes.
I'm not worried about beating you. No big deal.
Brandon, why don't you...
Now rest at the corner. Ah! Did he touch
Give it to him. He was in the red.
Fuck yeah.
Yeah, he was totally in the
touch
red.
the red, that's fine.
Fuck yeah.
He was a full foot into the red.
Well, it's his heel just actually now.